I was feeling so alone, even with family sitting back watching me pull it together. I didn't want to get out of bed. I was exhausted and torn. Then, something sent me an angel. That's truly what you are. You did more than help me financially. You gave me strength and hope to keep going, like I could conquer anything. For my son, my heart, my everything. Actions speak louder than words. You restored my faith in humanity and changed my little boy's world. You made back to school fun for him. He lined up his school supplies and tried on his backpack with such pride. His smile, it made me cry. Putting others first is the best gift you could ever give. I will never forget what you did for us. You have changed our world for real.
Find out how Cashco helped Elisia at cashcofinancial.com.